morning. Hello people, we are in Stockholm.
Stations at the end of the city. Now, what islands we have here? This is one of them. It's called the Södermalm. Södermalm is the Bohemian island of Stockholm. In the old time, was actually a working class island. You can still find their wooden. Everything's alright. You got that certain kind of love.
I just want to take some time to tell you that one thing I've realized in Stockholm, or like in Finland, like when I was in Finland, is that these people have a lot of space and they actually use it. Like, look at all this space, empty space, and they're keeping it. Like, if it was anywhere else, they would have brought everywhere. But I love the space, and it gives room for a lot of social interaction and activities, which is really cool. So yeah, that's my little bit.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face. So I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
I met a lady from my walking tour and we had cardamom bun for the first time and it was really good. So we literally had fika, which is a very cherished culture in Sweden. I got to know her, she got to know me, and that's one thing that I love about solo traveling, because you get to meet a lot of random people who you would have actually never spoken to.
Korum, signal för militär eller fältgudstjänst.
on the, I don't know if it's the Baltic Sea or whatever, but yeah, I'm on the cruise.
Bullar, kockor, godis och mycket annat.
Stockholm has a bit more mountainous places, like there are a lot of mountains in Stockholm, and I can see like most of the houses are built on top of the mountains. Yeah, I'll show you.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds.
Hello people, welcome. So today is my last day in Stockholm and I've had a good time. I met with a friend from Chelsea and yeah, we had a lovely dinner. Look at you.
Hi YouTube.
Okay guys, so we had dinner. Instead of us to just get starters and leave, we decided to go for like main meal. It was good. It was Lebanese cuisine and it was actually good. We had like the shawarma or something, dish, and it was actually good. So yeah, I will recommend this place. What's it called?
100% recommend.
And then we were also invited to the house of one of the Chelsea lecturers in Stockholm, and it was like a mini Chelsea reunion. We had a very good time. I had gobe, even though we had already had dinner, but I mean it's Ghanaian food. Who refuses Ghanaian food? So yeah, and then we sat down, had a lovely chat about Ghana politics, Chelsea. That was a very nice interaction. I had a lovely time, by the way. So Stockholm has a lot of islands. It's the whole city, it's like just different islands connected together by a bridge or something, and they are spun across like the entire Sweden. I guess so. The cruise was along the Archipelago, I think that's how they call it, and then on the coast, I don't know if I should say coast or shore, on the shore of like all those islands, you see different summer houses, and they love summer houses. Apparently the Swedish dream is a summer house and a Volvo. Will I come back to this place? Probably. Yeah, I had a good time, so maybe I will. Kindly subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of people who just watch the video and don't subscribe. If you like my content, kindly subscribe to my channel and yeah, follow for more. Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and until next time, annyeong.
I know I see the ball. Make me just stay until tomorrow. Until tomorrow.